In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an expense in QuickBooks Online. This is really helpful if you've entered something by mistake, duplicated a transaction, or simply need to clean up your books so your reports stay accurate. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own QuickBooks account. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. From there, click on Expenses. This is where you'll see a list of all the spending-related activity in your account. Once you're on the Expenses page, make sure you're viewing all the transactions by selecting the All Transactions option. This gives you the full list of bills, expenses, and other related entries that you might want to review or delete. Next, you'll want to narrow down that list so you can quickly find the specific expense you want to remove. At the top of the list, you'll see filters that you can use. Two of the most useful ones here are date and vendor. Use the date filter to specify the time period when the expense was recorded, and use the vendor filter to choose the supplier or payee related to that expense. Applying these filters will reduce the list and make it much easier to spot the exact transaction you're looking for. Once your filters are set, look through the filtered list until you find the expense you want to delete. When you see it, move over to the Action column on the right-hand side of that row. There, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled View or Edit. Click on that drop-down to open up your options for this transaction. From the drop-down menu, select Delete. QuickBooks doesn't remove it immediately. Instead, a confirmation prompt will appear. This extra step helps prevent you from deleting the wrong item by accident, which is important because deleting a transaction can affect your reports, account balances, and reconciliation. To complete the process, review the prompt carefully and make sure you've selected the correct expense. When you're sure, click Delete again to confirm. Once you do this, QuickBooks will permanently remove that expense from your books. And that's all there is to it. By using the Expenses menu, applying filters, and confirming the deletion, you can safely remove incorrect or duplicate expenses and keep your QuickBooks Online data accurate and up to date.